a game-changing 1,000 crore investment and a push into renewable energy. This company is making significant moves with plans to expand its solar manufacturing capacity and capitalize on India's energy transition. It is one to watch. Stay tuned to find out which company is set for this steady growth. Hey there, and welcome to another exciting edition of Noisemaker, where we screen through the noise to uncover hidden gems in the stock market. I am Ujjwal, Equity Research Analyst at Desvelado Advisory. In today's segment, we analyze two companies making filings that could fuel their long-term growth. As always, this is not a buy or sell recommendation of any sort. Going ahead with the first company, it is Eco Solutions Ltd. This company is engaged in the manufacturing and trading of solar panels and electronic equipment. The company has signed an MOU with the government of Madhya Pradesh to invest 1,000 crores by FY28, setting up 5 gigawatt solar panel and 2 gigawatt solar cell manufacturing unit. Financially, revenue surged from 44.4 crores in H1 FY24 to 83.8 crores in H1 FY25, an 88.8% year-on-year growth. EBITDA margins improved by 340 basis points to 8.6%. With a growing focus on renewable energy, capacity expansion, and an improving financial outlook, Eco Solutions Ltd is positioning itself as a strong player in India's green energy future. Going ahead with the second company, it is Transrail Lighting Ltd. This company is a leading EPC company providing turnkey solutions in transmission and distribution infrastructure. The company has secured new orders worth 2,700 crores approximately, bringing its year-to-date order inflows to 7,400 crores, marking a 90% year-on-year growth. Financially, Q3 FY25 revenue stood at 1,366 crores, up by 24.7% quarter-on-quarter. EBITDA margins also improved to 11.8%, up by 100 basis points, and net profit margins increased to 6.8% from 5% in the previous quarter. The company aims for a 30% revenue growth in FY25. With strong order inflows and capacity expansion, Transrail Lighting Ltd is well positioned to capitalize on India's infrastructure boom. Now reviewing some previous picks that we covered in the past editions of Noisemaker. The first company was Alpic Solar Ltd. We covered this stock when it was trading at 583.25 rupees. Currently it is up by 2% and is now trading at 595 rupees. The next company is Pennar Industries Ltd. We covered this at 142.8 rupees. Now it is trading at 164.52%, up by approximately 5.26%. Third company is Integrated Industries Ltd. We covered the stock when it was trading at 28.4 rupees. Now it is at 26.36 rupees, down by approximately 7.18%. The fourth company is Lumax Auto Tech Ltd. We covered this when it was trading at approximately 555 rupees. Now it is at 518, down by approximately 6.75%. The fifth company is TCPL Packaging Ltd. We covered this stock when it was trading at 3,450 rupees. Now it is trading at 4,045 rupees. It is up by approximately 17.23%. Now to summarize everything that we have covered in today's edition, the first company that we covered was Eco Solutions Ltd. It has signed an MOU to invest 1,000 crores in solar manufacturing expansion, strengthening its presence in India's renewable sector. The next company was Transrail Lighting Ltd. It secured new orders worth 2,700 crores approximately, with a strong order book and aggressive expansion plans. That's a wrap for today's Noisemaker. For more details, check out the full report in the description. Stay ahead, stay informed.